Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my friends from all over the world. This is German Pathan. My name is Patrick. I just returned from Pakistan, my beloved Pakistan. Now I'm back in my country, and I will take you to a trip to a German Christmas market. It is Christmas season at the moment. I will show you a little bit of my city, my country, my culture. I will show you what we do on a Christmas market in our festive season, and just come with me and I will show you everything. And if you haven't followed me yet, it's now the time to press the follow button, like my content. I'm very glad if you do this and be a fan of me, and I will provide you with more content as much as you like. If you like anything you want to see in my country, what you want me, which countries or cities you want me to visit, then please let me know. Follow me, and I'm very glad if you do. And now come with me on a German Christmas market. So guys, we arrived in the city center of Berlin now, and we're now taking the train, and let's see, U-Bahn. That's my friend Dirk. Say hello.
Hey.
So taking the subway system here in Berlin to Weihnachtsmarkt, Christmas market. That's Kaufhaus des Westens. This is the biggest department store here in Berlin, with like all the high-end brands. And this, in the background, you see the Gedächtniskirche. That's the Church of Remembrance, which was completely destroyed during the Second World War. And this is what reminds us on the Second World War. As you can see, it's a little bit less chaotic here than in Pakistan. Cars are driving in their lanes, and not that many people on the streets as in Lahore or Karachi. So I'm going to dress up a little bit in the Christmas spirit. I'm going to change my outfit a little bit into the Christmas spirit. Now I'm ready for the Christmas market. I even forced my friend to wear a Christmas hat, but now we're well dressed for the Christmas market. This is the protection against terrorism here. A couple of years ago, in 2016, we had a terrible terrorist attack here on this very own Christmas market, where a couple of people died, and it was a very tragic event. So now everything is very protected and on high security level. The tradition of the Christmas tree, everyone has one at home, actually coming from Germany. You can buy all the sweets and mulled wine, everything can imagine. With the really nice Christmas lights. This is kale with sausages, potatoes, hot alcoholic drinks. And of course, a lot of sweets. So now we will enjoy a hot mulled wine, which is a very big tradition here in Germany. And therefore, we're going in this nice looking location over here. So he's doing the hot mulled wine with rum. Cheers. It's very hot and it's very strong. Bye, man. So now we had a nice glass of Glühwein, the mulled wine. Very strong. This concludes my visit to the Berliner Christmas market. As you can see, it's a good place to get into the Christmas spirit with lots to eat and drink, and to buy Christmas decorations and presents. It's worth a visit. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy holidays to all of you.